Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel, a channel where we try out recipes from different cookbooks. Today I've got something extra special for you: gluten-free pumpkin muffins. This recipe is from one of my favorite websites, Creative in My Kitchen. These muffins are low carb, gluten free, and absolutely perfect for fall, or really anytime you are in the mood for a cozy, healthy treat. A huge shout out to Creative in My Kitchen for this amazing recipe. If you're ready to make these delicious muffins, let's dive right in. I have my tiger nut flour over here. I have my almond flour. And on this plate, I have some tapioca, some baking soda, and some baking powder and some baking soda. And I'm using monk fruit sweetener. The recipe uses inulin powder. I forgot to buy mine before this particular recipe, so I'll use some monk fruit sweetener. What else is remaining? A pinch of salt. Some salt here. So in my large bowl that I already have my tiger nut flour, I'm going to put the almond flour and the tapioca, the baking soda, and the baking powder. Then I mix. So once you mix, you put that one aside. Then we work with our dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, did I say wet or dry? But for the wet ingredients, we're going to blend them. So I'll start with my pumpkin. I'll put in my dates, the olive oil, my sweetener and my salt, my pumpkin pie spice, my vanilla, and then the eggs. Then we blend. So we are going to mix our wet and our dry. So you need it to be smooth and creamy. Smooth and creamy. When you're mixing the wet and the dry, the recipe says that you avoid over mixing the batter because it should be light, airy, and fluffy. I like my blender because you can open it and then you pour like this straight. Everything. This mix is, you're so tempted to taste it. Try that it has uncooked eggs. I would have tasted it. So I will evenly distribute my batter among the 12 muffin tins. The book uses 12, so hopefully it will fit, but I doubt. But let's see. So we are going to bake them for 45 minutes. So I noticed my muffins were burning and the baking time was not yet done. So I removed mine from the oven with 15 minutes to go, but the toothpick test came out clean. So check out on that. But let's see inside. So apart from the baking time issue, which now you need to check on, so I don't know whether it's my oven or what, but thank God I checked on it before. disaster happened. So time to taste. Yes, I was saying, apart from the baking time issue, I think everything turned out well. So final thing is to taste so that I can give you my review. Oh my goodness, these things are yummy. They are rich in flavor. For someone who doesn't like anything pumpkin, bake these muffins and give them before you tell them that they have some pumpkin inside. Trust me, they will not believe. They will not believe. They are fluffy, they are yummy, they smell so nice. Like I told you, I wanted to taste that the wet ingredient from the blender because the smell. Ah. If you want to try out this particular recipe, I'll put a link in the description below so you can go and check out the recipe and check out the exact measurements for the ingredients. Try out the recipe, and once you're done watching this video, go and watch also my pumpkin bread. Yes, it's pumpkin what? Gluten-free pumpkin bread. It's also low carb from the same website. And let me know in the comment section what you think about these two recipes. Let me know in the comment section which other recipe have you seen in the website Creative in My Kitchen that you would like for me to try out. Another thing before I forget, guys, the recipe says that these particular muffins are freezer friendly, so you can put them in the freezer and store them for longer, so whenever you need to eat them, you can just pick them for and eat. So that's it for today, guys. Bye bye and God bless.